Thank you so much. I'm Evans Osumba. I work with World Vision Kenya based at Olenton Area Development Program, that is ADP, as development facilitator. Basically, in this program, I coordinate activities in the program in terms of projects which you have that are education, health, and sponsorship programs. The idea of GAL, I can say, is quite timely in this area. One of the problems that we've had is about illiteracy levels in the community. It has been, to some extent, a stumbling block to the community. That is, you find it very hard for people to catch up, to learn new ideas, which are based on the conventional learning styles that we have currently. When the idea of GAL came in, I can say it's very timely for us in this area, because this is about action learning. And that is, every day, everything you do, it's an opportunity to learn. And also the idea of unlearning also comes in. That is, you unlearn to learn. And I can say that has really helped me so far. I've been having a lot of challenges in terms of time management, planning, and challenges that come from the vastness of the area working. In this aspect, I can say GAL has really put me on toes, always trying to ensure that I keep time. We have a community where people always don't keep time. When you say we are meeting at 10, you have to give them allowance of around 2 or 3 hours. Since GAL came in, I try my best to keep time. In that, when they come and find me having waited for them for 2 or 3 hours, they feel a little bit challenged and very ashamed of themselves. So far, time management has been, I can talk of being an improvement. Another element is the issue of planning and a more coordinated approach towards planning, where we integrate the various departments so that you can work effectively. And by now, I can say that the GAL approach, where we try to use the opportunity to learn, has given us the opportunity to integrate, to bring on board other staff members as well, share with them about action learning, and always tell them that whatever thing you do, anything that comes around you is an opportunity to learn, whether it's for good or for bad, so that you can be able to grow from one level to another. I can say that has been very instrumental, that has really helped us. And I believe it is an idea, if World Vision as an organization can pick up from, will it be able to help many communities. In Olenton, we work with a community that is referred as marginal communities, those pastoralists and those who are still in great need. The level of education is still low, the facilities are very lacking. But if they buy in the idea of GAL, can really help them bring on board so many communities that have not gone to school, areas where the literacy is so high, so that people are kept on their toes learning, and in the long run they feel appreciated for what they've learned on their own, on themselves, because that's one thing that has been lacking. World Vision as an organization has been so much into capacity building, but more of the capacity building we do is on conventional approach. The learning, the going to class that we do currently. So that leaves a lot out most of the work we do in the community in terms of the trainings we've had. But when we bring in the idea of action learning, it will be very important, because everything we do in the community will be captured. Another element is the nature of our work, where the staff are really busy, they really find time for themselves. Even going for classes in the evening that so many people try to pursue is a little bit challenging. When we bring in the idea of GAL into our vision, it will give so many people that are working the opportunity to learn and have themselves appreciated and recognized and certified for what they've learned in the long run. So I believe it's an idea that World Vision will take up. It will really change many lives and give us a new platform for capacity building and development in general.